Okay.
on our favorite radio station, VTFM
92.2 FM.
Kachitunga.
Ano ba naka-Dems? Ano ba naka-Mika?
Ano ba to you too? I would like to say good morning this time. I'm sorry for not present yesterday.
Why?
I was waiting to...
We will ask you later. We will ask you later.
Vanuatu.
Yeah.
Good morning to the people from Nambualu, to the province of Mbua.
Long time.
Not forgetting from Reketi.
Okay.
We met there. We are selling calendar
Okay.
for the Vanuatu trip on last week.
Where's the money?
Tell us about number one trip.
Nambualu is very good because most of the relatives from the province of Mbua.
All right.
So from there, I would like to thank each and everyone who come along and buying calendar from the province. Not forgetting Mama. Ona may nakorohi Sikam. Thank you very much, and also to the people there for the well support during the calendar sale. They love.
Belum nakatunapan na yan tajim leo kuluwa yan rabida kami na usaran na bibu gitu. And kaya na lagi boleh gitu na boleh di bola. Where's the money?
The money is here.
Where?
There. Ako na game ya, ako na gitu ya.
Yeah. Give me my money.
Money dead.
They must took like $800 to okay? The money come back.
Iya, $400.
No,
$400 may 55.
$112.
Dapat na muli taging buo.
No good.
From there, we went to Nambualu.
Okay.
Reketi lunch there, already prepared.
How's the bara?
Oh, the bara Evotes is the well-known.
You cheer the bara?
Not you.
Oi.
Just swallow. Hey, boleh to everybody in the Reketi. Thank you very much. The lunch was prepared by Father Niboy.
Okay. Boleh berangkat Father.
Oh, one big container. We were supposed to eat there, but we are that time, I'm sorry, Father Niboy, to the Masi Nibonua.
Right.
And also to the people of Nasigisinga, to the people from Nambabatu.
Alright.
Everybody, Matasawa Levu, from Nambiti.
Okay.
To the everybody. To Nandakeke Estate, to Father Niboy and Randini Queen Niboy.
Right.
Thank you very much for the Ngonamiti Kabiti.
Whoa. Lucky Sarai.
It's very good, it's very goodish. Oh, it's very nice.
They give you a good shot in Lamasai.
Who shot?
The Lamasai. Because yesterday you never came to work.
Oh, listen, I will be in there. From Reketi. Right to Sabu Sabu. Sabu, thank you very much.
How many minutes you spend in Reketi?
Upon the time.
Okay.
The time was there. Half an hour.
Okay.
Half an hour in Reketi. Reketi right to Sabu Sabu. Sabu Sabu from Sabu Sabu. After from Sabu Sabu. Sengaga. Lambasa.
Saja na.
Saturday Lambasa. We're roaming around. We're looking for a place to stay.
You know what the taxi
for selling calendar. I would like to thank this time to Tajim, Napana, Nasena, and also Momo PC. Tinay Tumbuna, Allen ang konto na bungon to. And everybody for their well support.
Okay.
To Tumbuna, to Tumbuna, and also to Bianca. Not forgetting our namesake. And my namesake is dead of Tomu Randua. Ito may nunggada, kitinay nunggada. They support. We thank you for the support and also to the people from Lambasa for the hospitality. For
the ladies in Sabu, you forgot about them?
Whose?
Ladies in Sabu.
The ladies in Sabu Sabu. I would like to take this time to thank the ladies in Sabu Sabu. Thank you very much for your love. Thank you very much for the four ladies who are alone.
They may listen to not spring, what they?
From there, I would like to take this time to thank the boss from Planta Restaurant.
Alright. Epatico chilling all the way from Australia.
Oh, New Zealand.
New Zealand.
To Epatico to the Kavika. Mula binaka, Leo Kavika. Leo Kavika, thank you very much for Rosa Tanga nabuatan. Nabutungan na Kavika. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sa apa sa matati mo din natin boss may planta. Planta restaurant. O wala ta kami ko nagalimutan ko manager. Awa.
Yan balik sa lalas.
Ako sa baka sa matikating go. You continue then I will.
When you come back to Sabu Sabu, they gonna whack you.
Ask Ronald J. Thank you very much, Thank you very much for the support for the lunch. Then Sunday.
That's
As soon
what
as I
Michael
reach.
Rado always tell you. Tadi, when you met someone,
Yeah.
take a pen and a paper, write the name there.
Tattoo the name at the back.
Maybe from Lambasa, as soon as I reach Lambasa,
Yeah.
one Sebu Tajim.
Yeah.
Oi!
Good morning to the people from Sweet Jamaica,
Right, right.
especially to our to Sonny
Yeah.
and the two brother. Not forgetting these people from Luimbau in Motoriki.
Ano naka?
Tu leo utokori.
To Nabekado Tongo Neori and the family, thank you very much for joining, and also to Sonny Senior,
Right.
thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
Yeah, these are.
Berapa besar bikin kena biokari kami ni bolian nomor di boli bula.
Right.
If you bought a calendar from the Messi last few days, saya hang cikum gor me balik.
Right.
Iko reach ngangor ori kita cukur lalang.
Don't
Right.
nak
Kita
serang.
on chicken live ya nama tangan iko.
Some
Right.
people say that messaging, commenting on the live,
Yeah.
you think the Messi were giving the calendar free.
Some free.
Oh, good.
Some free, but I was like this, you okay?
Yeah.
Some come with tabu.
One bets.
The Adam pay, the Eve free.
When the tabu coming, I can say something.
Yeah.
Okay. Jao. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now, John Kumar, all
yeah.
the way from Barara Valley Road. Bon ni nakatulungan ni Ates planters tuning in Taraiwanga, binabalim sa resima mo na matagal
Ano
ko.
na?
Planta.
Yeah.
He's from Samsapu. Planta.
Yeah.
Ates, thank
Ates.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, look there.
What's the name, Ates?
Ates planters. O Taraiwanga.
Adana karo planta.
Iyo, planta.
Oh, yun ano naman daw kasaran restaurant.
Iyo. Nedan o Ates planters, nedan gorgo ko bang karachugol.
Oh.
O Taraiwanga siya mo chungmay kinabing karabital chungaki.
Oh, binawalang taray tatawa ko na cheese.
Sarota, I asked you that before. Satu tos sarap ko sa sinibitaray.
Iyo. Kaya ko yung lagi
Iyo.
chiko. Sarap ko may
Ini
mentor
kaya
chiko.
ito nga, Ates.
Ates.
Oh, thank you very much.
Kung taro ko talo ko, odi may comment may.
Tu Mika natobi yon emission ngango chama na matawal le Mika may natobi mbula benaka Mita Signa and everybody joining this morning to the Masini Bonua kami ni boy.
Right.
Thank you very much for the love.
Okay, our story.
What story today? Kalian kata lewat me planta.
Hey, the Reverend with the dog.
Oh,
Yeah.
the Reverend.
Yeah.
The Reverend always
Yeah.
who I don't afraid of anything.
Yeah.
I don't afraid of anything, but some of us we are afraid of such small things, such a small organism, living things
Yeah, right.
in this planet of the earth, in the ecosystem.
Yeah.
Iya.
Some are afraid of the flies.
Some are afraid of them.
The snake.
Sorry baka ng ata.
The froggy.
Sorry baka ng boto.
Donkey.
Ano ba?
Donkey.
Sorry baka ng donkey doming pambari.
Right.
Yo, saan ka ba ya?
So kabaya, but this one is a very dangerous one. Reverend.
During a grog session.
Quando vede muri kailan didar kailan na nindo when somebody is able nindo durmite mo ngan riba ni taltala mer bi masulay. They chase the evil away.
Yeah.
Right.
When somebody are in need, we need them to come. When somebody is a broken family, we'll be squeezed together and born in a covenant bond, atomic bond together with the priest.
Yeah.
So priest is there. The priest is there.
Priest never afraid of anything.
Never. But one day, he got chased by a dog. And he got chased by tartala. Apa naman na musa de muri ka na koli na sige.
Ataro na tal-tal, ay kumura rin mga tundalakan.
Siya nga.
Iya. Eh, di ba naman na singa?
Kaya ba naman na singa na de muri when the dog chase you?
Yeah.
When the church chase you.
Ano na asa ba?
Church.
Chase ko na mga misinari. About the day, the dog chase you. Ngayon mo sa mabit, ay ito ko ni Fidjan
Iya.
Asin pero nga kaya.
After that, then he
Ay tabale.
Iya.
Iyo, demuri na singa na koli.
Iyo.
Sambaw baya mengay tombokan don tala ni kalo na koli. Sambawan renga mengay tombokan na koli don tala ni kalo. It is hard enough for a dog to catch a priest. Awangan ko iyo tala.
O talo talaga yung daw hindi.
Manda naman mo na undur baka. Kaya kami ndo demuri. Binabale usara to all the dogs, to all the Pero kaya na koli rasa mo tuman na mata ni kuha so.
Wala mo na daw talita ka.
Iyo, binabale mo. Binabale punjes. Saya lina loloma.
Totoo ko na italo may labasa.
Iya, seray yang bakin dilya.
Ano nang rita?
Siapa cuma gua maybe nawaka.
Nawa kami nanti.
Iya, wanu ni.
Wani buhaus.
Wani buhaus. Kadang bocik kono ndendre.
Iya.
Belne da lebu bille senia wanu ni bina katal tunga ni pi Valentino vakada ko vanua.
Iya.
To molo bina ka be Freddy wanu siro musi Valentino. Mai Blenheim mai New Zealand. Bina balem saran rumur bina ka. Wanu ni bina
Totoo
ka.
italo may number 8 Kaya kami na was from Rakete to Subsaw.
Very not much. Untuk membulat sama tukang.
Nawala besar ke muni antuntua na boli ni bula mai bonole buraramba.
Na balem sara.
Pau di manakalim sang oleh cikan tebel pinggir di pakatan bisingan buku giang dia palangi.
Iya.
Na mataka di.
Taray sending dari gads. Oh, taray main atis ya.
Awa mau bangkara mata na dana.
Atis Flanders.
Iyo. Endo tentu na dana.
Oi.
Atishwa.
Ati suara kor na DJ.
Bets masuda. Mana da munduan rabi ko ng Dems.
Nanam.
Kini si Mero kung bosan ran rabana ka na balem sarna sa tumay Rups Balka suba.
Kanra.
Siguro bugi bito kani na mata kedai.
Dono mo nak.
Yeah, one in the thank you very much for the calendar, but that's not the end of selling calendar.
Alright.
It's 1 month left for us.
Alright.
It's December.
Yeah.
But thankful to the VTFM for supporting the islands of Vanuatu.
Alright.
Some of the years we never been there.
Yeah.
So biang pagsasibik ito sin daw tumay kera bulta ki volleyball. Babi ni na wala wike muni.
Right.
Ni raw muni kaway main di naman tanga ni si Wotu into na bula. Me padabari. Thank you very much for your well support. Ni raw tunen do nan dai volleyball. Singol ni koya dali bistabi dalai bebo maruta ki le lulu dalai tamba. Thank you. Ya sibera ni ko kaya ndo na ngauna.
Saya mau sisianga.
Ha?
Rengu.
Pali lenga.
Uy.
Siritaw do ko sara. Imbalu.
During kiusin.
Rengusin meron sa tawat kanalina. Beramas eh. Tawa matay din ni.
Wala ni mga na balem sarna sa tumay. We were planning in the meeting last week we were planning for you to go to Rutumo. Can you go?
Bakang dua, tunggu lah ka, tunggu lah ko mendo do lah ko sa eli satu nga. Bermo bout, mo na lah ko.
Right, kita nung like, patag nung heart, patag nung share tak tu ada video lagi ada matag di tua. Ada bunyi talon ni ngolong-ngoli kilampas. Meta matag di mataka.